Hey, do you think some of these goods in the stock are expired? I've noticed a few items that look past their expiration date.
You're right. It's concerning to see expired products on the shelves. We should address this issue and come up with a plan on how to handle it.
Absolutely. We need to ensure that our customers receive only fresh and safe products. Let's check the inventory and make a list of items that are expired or close to expiration.
That's a good idea. We can go aisle by aisle, carefully examining each product and checking the expiration dates. Once we have the list, we can determine the best course of action.
Agreed. We could categorize the items based on their expiration dates. Those that are already expired will need to be removed from the shelves immediately.
Definitely. And for the items that are close to expiration, we should consider offering special promotions or discounts to encourage customers to purchase them before they expire.
That's a smart approach. It would minimize waste while still providing value to our customers. We should also inform the store manager and suggest implementing stricter inventory control measures to avoid this issue in the future.
Absolutely. Prevention is key. By implementing better inventory management systems, we can ensure that expired products are promptly identified and removed from the stock.
Additionally, we should communicate with our suppliers and request more accurate labeling and expiration date information. It's crucial to receive fresh products and have clear visibility into their shelf life.
Great point. Building strong relationships with suppliers and holding them accountable for providing quality products is essential. It will benefit both the store and our customers.
Once we have our action plan ready, we can schedule a meeting with the store manager to discuss our findings and propose the necessary steps to address the issue.
Perfect. By taking a proactive approach, we can ensure that the store maintains its reputation for offering fresh and high-quality goods.
Exactly. Our customers trust us to provide them with safe and reliable products, and we need to uphold that trust. Let's get started on identifying those expired items and working towards a solution.
Absolutely. Together, we can make a positive impact and ensure that our customers have the best shopping experience possible. Let's put our plan into action and create a more efficient and reliable inventory management system.